The rumors about Tetra were true. She damned her soul 20 years ago, became one of Enos's first followers on Sangalo. Now she swore to use her dark powers against him instead. But the devil isn't a man easily crossed.
Something wrong with your lunch?
No, it's fine.
It's the longest I've ever seen anyone take finishing a plate of catfish.
I wasn't as hungry as I thought. The Rev wasn't there when I stopped by the church this morning. Any idea when he's coming back?
It's about fixing the church? Or you need to confess?
Actually, yeah.
I didn't know you were the religious type.
Maybe I'm just trying to cover my bases.
That's not how it works.
Then tell me what does. I used to think that God had all the power. Then how do you explain why the world's all messed up?
The world is full of pain. No one has a monopoly on that.
You have no idea what I've seen.
I watched a man take my daughter's life right in front of me. I listened to her, begging for mercy, and there wasn't anything I could do about it.
You don't blame God for that?
Every day. But believe me, be very careful what you worship.
Hey, Tetra, we got orders stacking up back here.
I'm talking with a customer.
Oh, he's not the only customer we got.
I'll tell the Rev you're looking for him.
Or, for every hour the Reverend is still alive, I'm going to slice another inch across her pretty throat. That gives you what, Davy? Maybe 3 hours until I reach her jugular? Yeah? Starting right now.
I'll kill you! You will not hurt her!
But I will.
Oh, come back, Gracie! Stop! Oh, come back, Gracie! Come on! Gracie! Where you going, girl? Oh, I'm gonna turn that girl right now. Stay!
The flesh is broken, spirit lives. The flesh is broken, spirit lives. The flesh is broken, spirit lives. Gracie,
Something's happening to me.
that's okay.
Oh, baby, it's okay.
You're home now. You're home now, you're safe.
Nowhere is safe anymore.
Come here.
What are you doing? You need to take Grace and get out of here while you still can. I'm not leaving. I told you, a man can't keep running away.
I can't protect you this time.
I'm not asking for you to.
Elijah, no! Don't do it.
If it'll save Grace.
Are you insane?
Believe me, it won't. No matter what the devil promises.
My church, my call. I'll trade my soul for Grace if I have to.
Do we have a deal?
The Rev wants you to stay in here.
I stand before you unarmed, and I'm prepared to answer for the violence of my past.
And show the devil speaks.
You want my soul? Come get it.
You'll have to go through me first.
You gonna kill all of us, Maria? Doesn't have to be this way.
I didn't know there'd be so many of them.
I should be out there with him.
It's a setup. Great.
No need to fear, child. A lady won't hurt you.
But I will. Dean? It's just like I told you, Davy. We're practically brothers, remember? Just like family.
And this family always sticks together. You people think you could just take my son's life?
And murder my father?
You have to pay.
Let's make her hurt, Mom.
Get away from her!
Daddy! This looks familiar. Do you think you're going to protect her like you did her whore mother?
She wasn't a whore.
Stop! What was that, dear? I couldn't hear you with all the noise.
She needs you.
No! Gracie, come back here!
What's happening? Who are you?
With the mad demon destroyed, her power over the sons faded like a bad dream. And with nothing else to control their ignorance and hatred, the sons of society scattered like the flock of cowards they really were.
Stay away from me.
If I could bring your husband back, I would. I was a different man back then.
Don't you dare try to comfort me. You took everything from me. I have nothing left. Just kill me too, please. I know you want to.
No. There's one thing we can learn from death. It's the value of our own lives. I'm very sorry.
What's happening to me?
Whatever it is, hell is trying awfully hard to stop it.
I just don't know if any of this is real.
Oh, believe me, it's all very real.
I like talking to you, Tetra. Like the mother I never had.
Can I speak to you outside? How do you know so much?
Knowledge I paid a heavy price for.
What was that? What is that power she has?
Whatever it is, she must take after her mother. She has a spirit inside her you cannot imagine.
What are you saying?
I'm saying something very dark is coming.